A countertop dishwasher can save time, water, and effort without requiring a full kitchen remodel. Today, I'm ranking the 7 best countertop dishwashers of 2026, from compact budget-friendly models to feature-packed units with impressive cleaning performance. Links are in the description with updated pricing. Let's get into it. Opening at number 7, the Loch Capsule is the most unconventional pick on this list. Rather than a standard countertop unit with an integrated water tank or faucet connection, the Loch Capsule uses an external tank that can be stored away between uses. Setup for each cycle involves filling the tank, connecting it to the machine, and pressing start, a slightly more involved process than the integrated designs above it on this list, but one that makes the machine itself significantly more compact when not in active use. In testing, the capsule cleaned tough messes exceptionally well, handling 2 to 3 place settings or 25 to 35 items, depending on the configuration. For buyers who are physically limited in their ability to hand wash, whether through injury, disability, or chronic conditions that make prolonged standing and scrubbing painful, the Loch Capsule's performance on tough cleaning tasks combined with its compact footprint makes it the functional solution when a standard countertop model isn't viable. It isn't the most convenient option on this list, but it cleans well and it works. Number 6 is the Armsen Portable Countertop Dishwasher. Handling plates up to 12 inches, placed at a slight angle, and washing 40-plus items at once makes the Armsen appropriate for families of 3 to 4 people, which is larger than most countertop dishwashers can claim. The 14 washing nozzles with 360-degree spiral spray from upper and lower spray arms ensure complete washing coverage across that volume of dishes. High water temperature up to 167 degrees Fahrenheit handles stubborn stains and provides the sanitization level appropriate for baby bottles and children's tableware. The 5-liter built-in water tank enables placement anywhere without a water connection, and the angled LED touch screen display improves visibility in typical counter-below cabinet installations. The 72-hour automatic ventilation and 60-minute hot air drying cover both immediate dryness and longer-term storage hygiene. ETL certification confirms safety standards, and the 1-year warranty backs the build quality. For larger households who want countertop dishwashing capability for a 3 to 4-person family, the Armsen's capacity advantage makes it a serious consideration. Number 5 is the Danby DDW631 SDB, and this earns its position as the largest capacity countertop dishwasher on this list, delivering 6 full-place settings in a machine that competes with full-sized dishwasher cleaning performance. The 6-place setting capacity with a dedicated silverware basket is the specification that defines the Danby's target audience. Households of 2 to 4 people who want to load a meaningful quantity of dishes in a single cycle, rather than running the machine multiple times to handle a full meal's worth of dishes. The quiet operation is the quality-of-life feature that gets noticed during extended use. A countertop dishwasher that runs in the background without disrupting conversation or television is meaningfully more livable than one you have to work around. The faucet connection with a quick connect feature is compatible with most standard kitchen faucets. For households who want the largest possible countertop dishwasher capacity with Energy Star efficiency and quiet operation, the Danby is the pick. At number 4, the Hermitlux countertop dishwasher earns its position as the best alternative to the top pick for buyers who don't specifically need UV sanitization or auto-opening door functionality. In testing, all dishes came out clean and dry, the performance outcome that matters most, delivered consistently. The self-clean program specifically for maintaining the machine's internal hygiene is a feature most competing countertop dishwashers don't include. The 5-liter water tank uses just 5 liters per cycle, saving up to 83% more water compared to hand washing. The 18-hour delayed start provides the most scheduling flexibility on this list, covering overnight washing, while you're away operation, and precise off-peak power rate timing. The 360-degree cleaning from 14 water jets covering both top and bottom spray arms ensures complete dish coverage across the 5-place setting capacity. For buyers who want a clean and dry result with the most washing program flexibility on this list at a reasonable price, the Hermitlux is the pick. The bronze medal goes to the Farberware Portable Countertop Dishwasher. The digital touch display, convenient built-in water tank, and real-world capacity that exceeds the advertised 2-place settings, tested at 4 plates, 2 large and 2 small, 4 silverware sets, and 2 mugs, give the Farberware genuine value relative to its positioning. That capacity performance in a compact footprint makes it more practical than its specification might initially suggest. The 5 wash cycles include the specific purpose programs that busy households actually use: a baby care setting for dirty bottles, a fruit setting for produce cleaning, and a glassware setting for delicate items. For apartment dwellers without a dishwasher, the core countertop dishwasher buyer, the time savings compared to hand washing become immediately apparent in daily use. For standard daily dish, glass, and silverware cleaning, the Farberware delivers the time savings and cleaning results that make the switch from hand washing immediate and sustained. Number 2 is the Hava Countertop Dishwasher. 6 months of daily use without a dirty dish or spotty glass. That's the performance record that distinguishes the Hava. Not a single cleaning failure across hundreds of cycles. That consistency over time is the specification that matters most in a daily use appliance and the one that short-term testing can't produce. The capacity handles up to 6 large plates, 4 sets of silverware, and 3 to 6 small mugs or glasses simultaneously, appropriate for a 2-person household with flexibility for occasional guests. The flexible tines accommodate different dish configurations without the rigid arrangement that limits what fits in more constrained designs. The blue LED light visible through the transparent door is the design detail that makes the Hava genuinely enjoyable to use. It's a visual experience that feels more premium than the price point suggests. The 5 wash cycles include a unique fruit rinse cycle alongside standard programs. For 2-person households who want the most proven real-world performance record on this list, the Hava is the pick. And the best countertop dishwasher of 2026 is the Comfee Countertop Dishwasher. The Comfee takes the top spot thanks to its outstanding combination of cleaning performance, sanitization features, and drying technology. Its unique UV hygiene program and high-temperature hygiene cycle provide an extra level of cleanliness that's especially useful for baby bottles, glassware, and everyday dishes. What really sets it apart is the auto-open door and built-in turbofan drying system, which help dishes dry faster and more completely than most competing models. You also get a built-in water tank or faucet connection option, multiple wash programs, low water consumption, and an easy-to-use digital display. For buyers who want the most complete countertop dishwasher package, the Comfee is the clear winner for 2026. That's your complete ranked list. The 7 best countertop dishwashers of 2026. All the links are in the description, updated regularly for current pricing. If this video helped you find the right countertop dishwasher, hit the like button. It genuinely helps the channel. Subscribe if you haven't already because we cover every major home appliance category with this same depth. I'll see you in the next one.